In the city of Joppa, Peter prayed for a dead woman, and she came back to life. Peter stayed there for several days, lodging at the house of a tanner. Peter and his hosts were all Jews and followed the law of God. On the other hand, a Roman military officer named Cornelius lived in the city of Caesarea. Cornelius and his entire household were Gentiles, but they feared the true God. He worshipped God regularly and was very generous in helping the poor. One day, Cornelius saw in a vision that an angel of God was addressing him. The angel said that your prayers and alms have become a memorial gift before God. The angel commanded him to call Peter from Joppa so that he might preach the word of God to you. Cornelius immediately sent his loyal servants to Joppa to summon Peter. This meeting was God's will so that the good news of salvation could reach the Gentiles as well. Thus, the meeting of Peter and Cornelius became the beginning of a new spiritual era in human history.